Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get or how to unlock the Peacock hat in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my collection, and basically if you want to get the Peacock hat, you need to increase your stars level in your bird watching diary. Okay, you can monitor the stars that you get right here, and after you get 55 stars you will be able to unlock this peacock hat. Okay, I've already claimed it, and if we want to wear this peacock hat, we can go to the dress up menu, and it will be right here on the hat section, and this is the peacock hat. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the peacock hat in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.